Welcome to my channel, Reality TV Tarot, and this is Married at First Sight. Oh, season 19. I've been watching it. This is about episode 3 and 4, where we're starting to see more of their personalities and the little quirks. I will say Meghann is now being called the Ice Queen, which really is how her mother came off, as the Ice Queen. I mean, like, where was the mother's warmth and generosity and spirit of saying, "Yeah, I'm not really for this, but hey, good luck for everyone." And, she seemed like an ice queen already, and Meghann was repeating it. Meghann. And already frustrated, like, you're not asking me in-depth questions. So we'll see if Meghann can loosen up, or if Meghann is more like her mother than she realizes. All right. Let's do a reading for Meghann. Meghann, what's going on with you? Ha! Here we go. She's holding it all in. There's the tight card. Being really tight with everything. She's holding it in. I don't want anything loose because, Pentacles, your earthly, your physical realm. She goes on the show. She's excited. Now she doesn't want. She's censoring what she's saying on camera so people can't see her. She comes off as the Ice Queen. Okay, an opportunity here. The Ace of Swords. Whenever you get aces, they're a gift from the universe. But swords is your double-edged sword. It can be good if you're cutting the wedding cake. It can be bad if it's going to stab you and cut open your heart. So she has the opportunity from the universe. And look, this is the childhood nostalgia card. The Six of Cups of emotions. Why is she thinking about her childhood? She's been dreaming about getting married all her life. That's what it is. She's been dreaming about getting married all her life. Let's pull another card. Maybe it's a highly edited show. Why is Meghann coming across so cold and indifferent? Think about these flaws. Here we go, Ace of Wands. An opportunity for her. Why are you being indifferent to men? See? Look at that. It's the bully card, the defeat card. Why do you feel like you need to chop up? That's what she's in, a state of too many choices of looking back of her emotional childhood and wounds. I don't want to be like my mom, being icy and cold, but yet she is. She's got some work cut out of her. Let's see what the empath cards say. Enjoy the tranquility of water. To remove stress, immerse yourself in a smoothing bath. Walk near a body of water, gently splash water on your face. Meghann, you need some tranquility. Chill out, girl.